Photos app on the iPhone device, tap the camera button, then scan documents. Second, place the document in view camera. If the device in auto mode, your document will automatically scan. You can also capture manually by shuttering off the auto mode. You can drag the corner or make further adjustment. Tap Done to complete. Finally, tap Share to save or send the document. Now the document has been converted into PDF.
We can also use print option to scan documents.
Open the app Photos on the iOS operating system. Now you can see the collection of photos here. Tap Select to choose the desired picture. Continue with the print available option from the share sheet here. Use your two fingers to enlarge the front view of papers on the screen. The document will be immediately converted into PDF format. In the end, you tap the share symbol again to send the document or save the document.
First, open Google Drive on your phone. Click a plus sign in the bottom right corner and then click the scan. At this point, the phone's camera will work. You can take pictures of any of your assignments or documents. The machine will accept, and then we have a clear scan photo. You can customize the length of the document, the color of the document depending on your preference, how to make the photo clear and bright. You can reverse what direction you want and change the name of PDF. Next, we will save the PDF. This PDF can be saved on Google Drive or saved anywhere to a file you created earlier. Finally, we have a PDF of the document right on Google Drive. Now, we will check the PDF. Just a few seconds. That will be more clear if you zoom the photo.
First step to start. Launch the Microsoft Lens on your smartphone. Open and choose what to capture: whiteboard, document, business card, or photos. To take pictures, tap the round camera button at the bottom center of the screen. You also can tap the picture button to import existing image on the device. Microsoft Lens lets you edit capture before you save them. As you finish, save and share the document in form of PDF file.
Open any website like Coco or Google Chrome, then type the words IlovePDF.com. At this point, the homepage of IlovePDF will appear. There are many useful functions that can be used with PDF. Because the purpose is to compress, I'm going to click on the Compress PDF function. Next, we select the PDF file on your device. On the right side of the screen, we show the compression level for the PDF. Click on the level you want. The website has suggested for us, and then compress. Wait for a few seconds. Don't turn off the tab. We will see the PDF has been compressed from 39.05 MB to 14.2 MB. This new PDF will also be automatically saved to your device. The PDF is exactly the same as the original with no blur or miswords.